Every day, public administrations create data models, vocabularies, application programming interfaces or APIs, and standards to support digital services. From describing a street address to registering a business or accessing public transport information. But how can others find these assets? How can they know which ones are relevant, reusable, and already in use? And how can they trust that they are maintained, governed, and up to date? This is where semantic repositories and registries, both a type of data catalog, play a key role. Across Europe, many countries operate repositories that act as entry points to public sector digital assets. These platforms allow users to search, filter, and explore datasets, APIs, concepts, and information models by theme, publisher, domain, or level of access. They provide practical details such as formats, licenses, access conditions, and usage examples. Repositories support day-to-day work. Developers look for APIs, data owners publish assets, and administrations discover what already exists, instead of creating something new. They focus on availability, usability, and operational reuse. However, as ecosystems grow larger and more complex, access alone is not enough. This is where a semantic registry comes in. A semantic registry is a structure and authoritative catalog federating authoritative repositories that focuses on semantic clarity, governance, and lifecycle management. A registry describes assets through rich metadata: who maintains them, their status, version history, relationships, and reuse conditions. It tracks how standards evolve over time and provide a stable reference point for alignment and interoperability. A semantic registry would contain metadata on vocabularies, identifiers, controlled lists, ontologies, and data models. A semantic registry can act as convergence points among different organizations to help each other in co-developing and creating communities around a topic. A registry can support alignment with the European Interoperability Framework and wider initiatives under Interoperable Europe. Experience from member states shows that interoperability depends not only on technology, but on shared governance, transparency, and trust, all enabled by registry. Together, repositories connected to a registry improve discoverability, promote consistency, document decisions, and connect communities. They support collaboration between data owners, developers, and policymakers, and enable automation, analytics, and artificial intelligence through reliable reference assets. Across Europe, an increasing number of repositories are ready to be connected to a registry. It would enable automation. They are increasingly linked to data spaces, digital identity services, and cross-border public services. The success depends on active community participation and long-term investment. Public administrations, project teams, and experts are encouraged to contribute their assets, participate in governance processes, share practical experience, and showcase successful use cases from their own countries or cities. Are you curious to learn more about semantic interoperability? The Interoperable Europe Portal is your go-to place. In particular, the resources available under the SEMIC collection. You can find all contacts and links to relevant resources in the description of this video. Also, don't forget to engage with us on social media and stay up to date with the latest news regarding semantic interoperability.